Salut adventurers, and welcome to our geocaching travel adventure where we'll browse the Belgian beaches for that rarest of geocache types, a webcam, and explain these types of fun finds for you. So let's tram our way to Blankenberge for some caches and other distractions. Just a moment, please. Hello adventurers, I'm Jay.
I'm Laura.
And we're the LANMonkeys. We are going to take you on some geocaching adventure travel all over the place. We are crazy cachers from Canada, and we are out exploring the world using geocaching as our travel guide. Hey adventurers, welcome to Zeebruge, Belgium. This is the next country in our adventures that we're checking out. We want to give you some really important tips if you are arriving here by cruise ship that you need to know that we didn't quite understand until we got here. And so it'll really help you out with your caching adventures to know this in advance. So watch for those tips. But in the meantime, let's go find ourselves a grandfathered geocache type to start our day with. A webcam! Webcams are a type of virtual geocache where there's no physical container to find. Instead, you're given a set of coordinates to get to and then instructions and an internet link to a live stream for a webcam. The idea is that you capture the image of you standing at the given coordinates, waving or somehow identifying yourself in the webcam image, snap a screenshot of it, and then upload your image to prove you found the webcam. With this rare cache found and logged, there's only 194 of them left in the world. We were off along the scenic sandy seaside to see what she stashes. What if stronk means trunk or stump? What do you think? Is that what it maybe means?
That's what it maybe means. Or we found somebody's pill stash.
That's what stronk means.
Because I did find a pill stash on one of the other ones when I thought I had found the cache. Surprise!
Well, you found a nice view here too. Did you find a puzzle?
I did.
You solved it and then you found it. Oh, look at that. You sure did. Oh, look, there's an electrical box in this tree. This must be one of those electric trees. Good job.
Yay!
So if you're arriving to Belgium by cruise ship, as we did, one of the key things to be aware of is that the ship is going to take you to the port of Zeebruge, which is quite a ways away from Bruges or Brussels or any of the cities that you more commonly are aware of and would like to visit. So you'll have to book an excursion or find some sort of transit from the port out there. Now the other thing is, at the ports, the security is very tightly controlled. So you have to take a free shuttle bus out to the exit of the port, and then that same shuttle bus back to the ship to clear security. So you have to plan ahead a little bit, and we learned this as we went. We adjusted and making the best of it. It's actually turned out to be a pretty good day. So just thought we'd throw a few of those pro tips in there for you. So just a short walk from where you can get out of the terminal is this little Zeebruge Spar convenience store, and that's where you can buy a ticket to get on the tram. You can get an all-day pass for €7.50, that's 7.50 euro, and that'll let you ride the tram all day. And they have the schedule, pops up on the displays right here, and if you're heading into the next town, as we are, it's every 15 minutes. So the next station out is the town of Blankenberge, which is where we are. And if you come to Blankenberge, of course, there's virtual caches and adventure labs and traditionals and lots of geocaches to find, but some of them will take you out to the Pier. And the Pier is kind of the thing to check out here in Blankenberge. It's under construction right now, but you can still come out and walk around and see it and watch the surfers out doing their thing and the seabirds and the huge waves crashing in. And the guys fishing off the end of the pier, just a really cool spot to check out. So the Pier at Blankenberge, put it on your list. Coming in from the beach, you get to more of the old city and the bustling city. Lots going on here. So you go from the modern oceanfront resorts to the more old city. That's a pretty interesting transition. Haven't seen a lot of older looking buildings in these communities, but here's a bit of a mix of old and new along this section once you get in from the waterfront a little bit. Well, after a good day of caching around in Zeebruge, we've stopped to enjoy a Belgian specialty. So cheers to all of you. Thank you to those who subscribed. And if you're thinking about subscribing but haven't quite clicked that button yet, cheers to you when you click that button. All right. Most of all, we want to ask you to remember to cache safely and cache often.
Belgium is our final stop on this adventure, but don't worry, we're mangling more missions in the Mediterranean in our next season of geocaching travel adventures, so subscribe and enjoy that content coming very soon.